Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share with you this must-have knife set from HUNTER.DUAL. These knives are such an upgrade to our prior knives that had gotten dull. The knives are made of stainless steel, making them durable and long-lasting, and they are very sharp. For example, the 8-inch kitchen knife cut through my chicken like butter, and the utility knife perfectly cut through all my vegetables and produce. I have been so used to using dull blades that the difference from using sharp blades was like day and night. It is just such a great all-in-one set with 6 kitchen knives and 6 steak knives and a storage block with a sharpener built in and shears. Since the set is black, it just looks perfect in my kitchen, blending in with its simple elegance. It's a very affordable gift for friends and family as a housewarming or a wedding gift. And to top it all off, these are dishwasher safe. So if you're like me and you just can't be bothered with the upkeep of hand washing your knives, this is for you. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.